Hello and welcome to episode 16 of Print All the Things. I'm Born. I'm your host this week. I'm sorry we missed last week, but we had some things come up. But this week we got a couple of prints to talk about. I didn't do a whole lot of 3D printing the past couple of weeks. I printed a couple things that I want to share with you all. No news this week either, so this is going to be a real quick episode. First thing that I want to show off is something from Paramount Pictures. You've probably seen this, Paramount Pictures. It's been going around the internet, and I think Joe Telling did a video, and a bunch of other people printed this, and I printed it as well. It is Optimus Primal. Optimus Primal. This is a sculpture from Paramount Pictures. It's an official thing over on printables.com. So it's got a stand, but I didn't print the stand itself. And here it is, Optimus Primal. This is I got the Easter bundle from Polymaker. And this is the purple matte color that came with it. It is pretty nice. I got it for another project. And the lighting in here may be throwing it off a little bit. Let me change it to normal. Here you can kind of see it with normal lights. It's a really nice pastel purple on this Optimus Primal. Really nice model. Like how it turned out. I printed it this way, and it had supports on the bottom. So they recommend you print it vertical, and I think it came out okay. There's a little bit of scarring underneath. So there's a smidget, not a lot. But once I print the stand and I put it on the stand, you won't be able to see any of that. Yeah, so nice model. Optimus Primal. I think it came out pretty good. Okay, you can download Optimus Primal over on printables.com. I'll put the link in the show description. And speaking of Polymaker, which is my sponsor, you can go to my Discord, discord.gg/Buona. Go in our giveaway channel. I give away 2 spools a week, so you guys can get some of that stuff. Polymaker put together a nice project, and this is related to those of us who have bamboo printers, bamboo P1Ps or X1Cs, and especially those of us who have AMS units. I don't have an AMS unit, which allows you to print with multiple colors. The cardboard spools of Polymaker's filament tend to cause a lot of dust. The cardboard spools like to rub up against stuff and it causes dust, and that can cause potential issues that people don't like. So Polymaker put out a nice STL of a cardboard spool adapter. It looks like the logo. It looks like the logo, and it's a very intuitive, ingenious design where it has a little notch here, which connects to the little notch on the spool. I just hit myself. Don't laugh. And it has little arrows on each of the corners where you press down so you can lock it in place. Right. And these are so good and they fit so well that I printed more. How many did you print, Buona? All the things. Now I want to print more. I definitely want to print more. I want these on all my spools. And I don't even have an AMS unit. I just like how they look and I like how they feel. They'll help the spool spin no matter what device they're on. And here's a couple of them here. This is a blue one from my Azure Blue. This is the actual filament that I printed in. You can see how snug it fits. And the little notches right here, and it's got the arrows that you push down here, 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 and here. And it looks and feels really nice. And I printed a purple one as well. This is on a white filament spool that's almost gone. This is a little bit easier to handle. A little bit easier to handle, but it fits perfect. Like, they nailed this. I can't find anything at all wrong with this. It has grooves for all the holes here. So if you need to run your filament through a hole, which I have not done on this spool. Don't tell nobody. So I have not done on this spool. It has holes and everything for this one as well. Very easy to print, takes no time at all, barely an hour on the bamboo. I forgot how long it took on the MK3S, but it's not very long at all on my MK3S. And that's all I have this week. That's all I printed this week. We're going to be printing more. We got some other things lined up, some more projects. Most of the time I was just printing the spools because they take no time at all. I pop one off and I print another one because you can print one at a time. And we got the nice Optimus Primal here that came out pretty good. All right, short and sweet Print All the Things, episode 16. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank my patrons at patreon.com/Borna. Thank you for watching me and thank you for supporting me. You guys can go over there and subscribe today to patreon.com/Borna for as little as $5 a month. You can help me out. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, print all the things. I'll see you guys next time.